Welcome to our tutorial How to use R for research. In this session, we teach you basic plotting in R programming. Datasets package should be installed. After that, we call this datasets library. We rename trees data to tr, which is available inside datasets package. It has 3 columns: volume, height, and girth. Histogram. To display distribution of data, we can use hist function, and the data is volume column in the tr data. Call color, let's say dark red. Main, the title is any title. Xlab volume, and in y we have frequency, each value, how many times available, or the histogram display, how values distributed, is like bill, normalized distribution, or no. We can use bar plot function. The data is height, names.arg equal 1 to 31 for xlab, and the call dark green. That's it. The highest value around 31, while the lowest value here. We have box plot function. The data is height, color dark blue, xlab height, and ylab height in matter. We can display multiple variables of box plot together. The box plot, one of the important scientific figure, which display minimum, maximum, mean, quartiles, and some very high or very low values. For scatter plot, we can use the function of plot with the height and volume for the x and y, and the code of color pch plot character equal 19, xlab height and ylab volume, and the title, any title. That's a scatter plot between x and y. We can differentiate by girth column using it as factor. Now we added the legend on the top left, the same factor and the same color that we used inside the graph. Another type of figure is line graph. We can use the plot function at the beginning, then for the second one using lines plot height, that's the type, and the color dark green, xlab and ylab, title, ylim, minimum and maximum, pch 18, and line type 6. That's the first variable. The second one we use lines instead of plot. For example, we change line type to 2, pch to 19, and the color to dark blue. The timeline display how to these variables increased or decreased. Another type of chart we have is pie chart. At the beginning we create some data, then the name of classes, PCT. Finally, we use the function of pie. The data is pie data. Labels equal classes, which is we prepared. Call, the color is 5 colors from rainbow, and the title. That's the end of today's session. Basic plotting in R programming.